students, welcome to Devasya Online Education. I am Prachi Malik. I am going to take the assessment how to solve for standard 8 जो whatever you have done for the entire year हम लोगों ने उसे एक summary form में दे दिया है. थोड़े बहुत question answers हैं and थोड़ा बहुत objective style है. तो first we are going to see about the notes. Notes में क्या क्या points मैंने include किए. I had considered only basic civics part which is going to help you in the 9th standard as well. So the basic question is like what is constitution? So constitution means an important law. Why there is a need of constitution in India? Because it lays down the basic ideals, lays down certain principles, provide law for protecting minority and grants the citizen the right to equality. Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. How much time it was taken to frame constitution? 2 years, 11 months, 17 days. What are the features of Indian Constitution? So we have 5 features of Indian Constitution. India is a sovereign country, means it is a free country. Secular country means we don't have any kind of power or rule from the other countries. Socialist country because we are treated equally. It is a democratic country because it is by the people, for the people and of the people. And it is republic, that is free. What are the 3 organs of government? As I told you before also in the earlier lectures. Legislative body which is going to frame laws and rules, executive जो execute करती है laws को, और judiciary which is here to settle the disputes. जो भी झगड़े होते हैं state या central government के बीच में या general public के बीच में, तो judiciary उस problems और disputes को solve करने का काम करती है. Then what are the fundamental rights? First is right to equality. It is in the section article 14 to 18. यहाँ पर article mention करने का reason ये था कि हमारी जो पूरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बुक है उस बुक में ये राइट्स कौन से आर्टिकल से कौन से आर्टिकल के बीच में एक्सप्लेन किए हुए, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर आर्टिकल्स के जो नंबर है आई हैड मेंशन दैट. राइट टू फ्रीडम इज इन द आर्टिकल 19 to 22. राइट अगेंस्ट एक्सप्लॉयटेशन आर्टिकल 23-24. राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन आर्टिकल 25 to 28. कल्चरल एंड एजुकेशनल राइट्स आर्टिकल 29 to 30. राइट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडीज आर्टिकल 32 to 35. Who is the head of the country? We usually compare the head of the country as Prime Minister, but actually the head of the country is the President. Why? Because President is the member who is elected in the Rajya Sabha, not from the Lok Sabha. And Lok Sabha से जो member elect होते हैं, he is the Prime Minister, and after every 5 years the Prime Minister of the country changes. Explain Lok Sabha and the qualification to become a member. So Lok Sabha, as we know, it is called as the lower house of parliament. Number of members is 550, जिसमें से 530 are chosen by direct elections, and qualification should be 25 years, should be citizen, should not be bankrupt, मतलब उसके किसी भी तरीके के loans नहीं होने चाहिए, he should not be in debt, should not hold any office or post for profit, मतलब किसी भी office में he should not work for profit purpose. Then same way for Rajya Sabha, it consists of 250 members, among which 12 are nominated by President from different field in science, art and social science. Then what are the qualifications? Should be citizen of India. वहाँ पर 25 था, यहाँ पर 30 years है. बाकी दोनों के जो points हैं वो same हैं. What are the functions of election commission? जैसे for example right now elections are going on Bengal, right? तो बंगाल में जो elections चल रहे हैं उनका जो पूरा काम है वो कौन करता है? That is the election commission. तो उनकी क्या क्या वर्क होते हैं, उनका क्या फंक्शंस होते हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट. इट फिक्सेस द डेट, इट अलॉट्स द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज, प्रिपेयर इलेक्टोरल रोल्स, प्रोवाइड बैलेट पेपर एंड इट डिक्लेयर्स द रिजल्ट. आफ्टर द काउंटिंग जो डिक्लेयर होता है रिजल्ट, इट इज डन बाय द इलेक्शन कमीशन. नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द नोट्स आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड यू फ्यू क्वेश्चंस. यू नीड टू जस्ट सॉल्व इट एंड राइट इट इन योर नोटबुक. जैसे क्वालिफिकेशन ऑफ मेंबर्स ऑफ लोक सभा, 4 पॉइंट्स थे, वो 4 पॉइंट्स एक्सप्लेन करने. फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज, व्हाट आर द फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज ऑफ अ रेगुलर सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया, वो एक्सप्लेन करना है. वो इज हेड ऑफ द कंट्री, दैट इज प्रेसिडेंट. व्हाई इज नीड ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, वो जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में एक्सप्लेन किया था, पॉइंट नंबर 2. 6 फंडामेंटल राइट्स, यू नीड टू राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द राइट्स ऑफ द सिटीजन्स एंड अलॉन्ग विद द आर्टिकल्स विच आई हैड मेंशन्ड इन द नोट्स. व्हाट इज गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल? गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल जो 4 मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज को कनेक्ट करता है. When who write the neighboring countries of India, हमारे neighboring countries कौन कौन से हैं? Who is Iron Man of India? When was India and Pakistan partition? Write down the names of newspaper used in 19th century. नेम ऑफ सोशल एवल्स एंड प्रैक्टिसेस बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस, सती सिस्टम हो गया, फीमेल इन्फेंटिसाइड हो गया, चाइल्ड मैरिजेस हो गई, तो ये सब सोशल एवल्स थे. हु इज नोन एज क्वीन ऑफ झांसी, दैट इज रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. हु वाज फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. These are basic general GK questions which is like helpful for your 9th as well as for your 10th. Few examples of natural resource, man-made resource. What is soil erosion, birth rate, death rate, migration. 3 sectors of economy: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Primary will include your agriculture, secondary will include your manufacturing and tertiary will require your the marketing prospects जो होते हैं वो tertiary या third sector में आएंगे. Steps to conserve wildlife. What are the steps which you will take to save the plants and the animals? Steps to conserve waters. Waters conserve करने के लिए how you will implement the duties as a regular citizen, you need to make down that. Now we are aware there are 28 states in India और वो states के क्या capital है. See, this is basic knowledge. ये चीज़ें बहुत common है, general है, जिसकी basic knowledge होना तुम लोगों को compulsory है. इसलिए मैंने ये काफ़ी सारे points इसमें मैंने extra add किए which is not there in your textbook as well. So these are 28 states along with the capital. Then you have few quiz type questions or you can say it as kind of a worksheet which you need to practice. There are few questions or few hints which are given to you. उसमें across और down में तुम्हें मैंने दिया हुआ जैसे cotton is this type of crop, that is fiber. Okay, rice production needs this type of land, तो कैसा land चाहिए वैसा. Then located in Midwest of USA, it is staple food of tropical world and this country produces the best quality of cotton. So these are few hints and as per the hints you need to solve this block. Clear? Then you have one word answer. Battle of Plassey कब हुआ था? Vasco da Gama, where did he land in India? Who was the first president of USA? In which modern state is Surat situated and where is Ranchi situated? These are basic few questions taken from your history section. Then you have match the column, 5 on this side and 5 on this side with the answers. You need to write this as a question part and in front of that you need to write the answers. Don't write first का B, second का C, don't do that way. Question के सामने सीधा उसका answer लिखना है full statement. Then there are few fill in the blanks which is given. Combination of history and civics. There are 10 fill in the blanks, basic से हैं. Then you have some national challenges which the nation is facing given. You need to find the word search. जैसे इसमें मैंने poverty दिया हुआ है, then education problem है इसमें, तो ये सारे points मैंने इसमें cover की. You need to find out the word and solve.